DoneRight Management. We are at the Wooley Heights, and we're going to do a quick video tutorial on the television that happens to be downstairs. My little apartment segment. Cute, fun, great little spot. So we have the remote controls over here. There's 3 remote controls. The TV remote is the TCL. So that one's right here. That's this little guy. And then we have the LG remote. That is for the DVD player. And then for the dish network, we got this big old bad boy. And so down below, we have the DVD player and then the dish. And fairly straightforward, fairly easy to use. So with the TCL Roku TV, you can hit the home button. And then you have the DVD player and the satellite TV. So if you want to watch cable, just make sure it's on satellite TV. And you get satellite. You push the home button again. And then you push DVD player. Yep, it turned off. So push the on button. And that should go on. And then you have that to watch. So if you've got any questions, you can reach out to us. The number is 208-634-0030. Cheers.